Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the wrap text option available in Home menu. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Econometrics, Mathematical Economics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, what is the use of wrap text tab? Wrap text tab allows text within a cell to display on multiple lines. So basically, it is useful for long text entries that we want to display fully within a cell without extending the column width. Let's understand this with the help of example. So I'm writing here, this video is very useful. Now you can see the write-up of cell A1 is overflowing into B and C column. So now I want to write this in multiple lines. So you select this cell A1 and simply click on wrap text. So see this, now we have 4 lines and wrap text does not change the width of the column. So width of the column remains the same. You can change it manually. So if I extend the width, I can. Or you can also adjust the row height. But by default, wrap text does not change the column width. Let me show you another example. My name is Shah. Now, another way to use the wrap text command is alter HW. Alter HW. Now you can see there is no change in the column width. So this is how we can use the wrap text to display the long text entries. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.